Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike York. Today is Thursday, June 30th, end of the month. Also, end of second quarter, end of quantum easing too. So no more purchases, treasury purchases by the government, by the Fed, and so stock market's been kind of hot on that. So, in some of the headline news that the stock market's been taken up on is what's going on in Greece and the austerity measures that they're kind of reaching their final hurdles. So on that side, they're feeling a little bit optimistic on that. Obviously, until personally, I think until you see the next hurdle, which could be Italy, starting to be mentioned. They're getting some downgrades on their banks there. We also have heard in the past with Ireland and Portugal, maybe they might rear their ugly head, so to speak. That maybe that they might need some type of bailout, especially now Greece receiving. Maybe they need to restructure theirs as well. Spain has been mentioned in the past, but has avoided any bailouts thus far. So it'll be interesting to see what happens. The quarter's been, the second quarter looked great on economic news, but the coming next one, sometimes it's kind of a false hope, so to speak. So we'll see what begins in July. I think it will give us a better measure of what the real sentiment's out there. Let's go take a look at economic news releases. We had jobs were still reported. Not so good. Initial jobless claims came out by 428,000. So last week, not great numbers there. But the Chicago PMI came up. So we actually had a manufacturing number come up a little bit. It came up about 61 versus the estimates around 55. So pretty good improvement right there. So we have to give props to the manufacturing this time around, where New York and the Philadelphia region weren't doing so well. So let's go ahead and take a look at what's going on with the bond market and where interest rates are kind of moving now. So here's the bond market here, and as you can see, we had a wild, crazy morning so far with the bond market. We actually started upwards from where we left off yesterday, but since then we were taken way down here, actually touching the 99.75, so well below par, and not good right there. So right now we're currently kind of holding up above par at par 606 right now. If we can hold above the par 09, as we've kind of touched along here, par 09 before, it kind of helps, it kind of creates some stability. If it breaks below here, we could see some pretty long drops as to more of a correction. Right now we're already getting a correction, but this could be a real big correction if it goes downwards. So that's what we're kind of seeing right now, is this correction in the bond market here. But let's kind of hope that we maintain this. What this means is that as the red is going downwards, the bond market is going downwards, interest rates are moving upwards. So obviously those who are buying or looking to refinance want the bond market to go upwards to bring down the interest rates. So that's what this basically means. So let's keep hoping that this comes up. We do have an opportunity for it to go upwards. A lot of economic news that are coming out, are, even in regards to Greece, what's been going on in Greece, it's been kind of overshadowing some of the negative news we've been receiving here. So once we get past that, maybe in the next quarter, we're starting a new quarter next week, maybe that might kind of lead into a correction, maybe give us that better rally we've been kind of anticipating here. So all right, folks, you guys have a good one, and I'll see you tomorrow. And folks, I'm also a loan officer. If you're looking for a mortgage in the state of California, I can also help assist you. You can check out my other websites here at obviously at Mike's Daily Market Report and MikeBjork.com, even CaliforniaMortgageTips.com and the Mike's Homebuyer University.com. I have some great resources there. But feel free to give me a call at 310-694-3544. I can do refinances, and I also do purchases, so I can help you get pre-approved to buy that next home here. So thank you, and keep me in mind.